Today I will be making lemon thyme broiled lobster tail and pasta al limone. Start off with salted water and your choice of pasta. Then in a separate pan, put 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a fully zested lemon. When the pasta is 3/4 cooked, drain the pasta and save the water. Then add the pasta to the butter lemon sauce and add 1/2 cup of the pasta water and 1 ounce of grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Mix well until the cheese and the water with the butter has combined. Then add the entire zested lemon worth of juice and salt and pepper to taste. Remove the pasta from the heat and allow the sauce to thicken. Then take 2 lobster tails, a 1/2 stick of unsalted butter, 1 1/2 tablespoons of minced garlic, some paprika, lemon thyme, some rosemary, and some freshly chopped parsley. Then add some salt and pepper to the lobster tails and fully coat the meat of the tails with the butter herb marinade, reserving some of the marinade to top after boiling. Broil them about 6 to 8 inches from the burner 8 to 10 minutes. And there you have it. Lemon thyme lobster tail with pasta al limone. What is on the menu next?